So this is the Euro Pound analysis for Tuesday, 7th of November. Now, let's just have a look at how prices have developed. So we've had at first we had the somewhat, let's grab a pen. We had the bearish news in regards to the ECB, and we have seen a sell-off in the euro against the pound. Their extension of QE to September 2018. We did see some weakness in the euro. Since then, we've had the Bank of England press conference. Now, we had a reference the day before indicating, which was this candle here, was a bit of a clue. We did say we're interested in it due to its size and its relation to the other candles. It was an unusual candle indicating a possible shift in momentum. So we did have a bit of consolidation in below this 8783 level, and this large bullish candle here was the news-related candle in regards to the pound, the dovish rate hike. Now, we did see a strong move upwards. We did have a bit of what appeared to be a bit of bull flag forming. I was looking to see a price get up to 89.45 before looking for selling momentum coming to the market. Wasn't to be, however. Let's go over to, I'm just going to scroll over here to the right of the charts. So over here to the right of the charts, we could pretty much see where I was thinking. So I was expecting price to get up to 89.45. Didn't quite get up there. Got up to about 89.40, I think. Just around about 89.40. And we did see some selling momentum coming to the market. The momentum, in a way, we haven't seen large candles, similar to over here, the news-related ones on the left. But due to but overall, it has been a pretty strong sell-off. Not many pullbacks at all. We wouldn't say there's any pullbacks here. A slight bit of a consolidation for a breakdown in prices. So we're seeing continued weakness in the euro. The pound has gained some strength. We saw it against the dollar. So does seem to be a turnaround in the pound, a surprising turnaround after the big sell-off after the news catalyst last Thursday in regards to the Bank of England. So we've seen the euro weaken. Now we have come down to this 88.20 level. So where do we think price will go from here? Well, we'll see if 88.20 holds. Then we'll be looking for prices to go up to 88.51. We'll be interested at that level. Above that, we're looking at 88.73, and above that, these most recent highs in around that 8.40, 8.45 level to see possible selling momentum. Now, if we do not hold this 88.20 level, we have seen a pretty strong sell-off. If we do not hold this 88.20 level, we'll be looking for prices coming down to 87.83. Below which you'll be looking for our most recent swing lows all the way down to this 87.40. So those are levels we'll be looking at. We'll be looking at 87.83 for possible bounce all the way up to 88.20. Or if we do break below 87.83, we'll be looking for how prices react in around these most recent swing lows in around 87.40. In around this zone for a possible buy momentum back up to 87.83. Can't anticipate prices getting much below that, but the very next level below is 86.63. Again, that's going to be, I would expect that to be too far out of the range. And to the upside, I can't imagine price getting up to 90.24, especially in light of the recent sell-off just before 89.45. So we're just going to have a look at the higher time frames before just wrapping this analysis up here on the euro pound. I'm just going to go over to the daily time frame first. Let's just get the scaling out here correct. So on this daily time frame, let's just grab a pen. We can see that we did have a bit of selling momentum. We had strong bullish momentum come into that level, and selling momentum has come in. So this was a news-related candle here, very strong bullish move in regards to the euro against the pound. And on Friday, we did see some selling momentum, candle closing near the lows, and we did see the follow through here on Monday. Again, another strong candle closing near its lows. So we do look poised for another retest of that 87.83, but we first have to navigate 88.20 successfully. And we've also, if we do but navigate 87.83, we've got the 200 period average here on the daily chart. Let's see where that is present. We've got a 200 period average sitting at 87.63. So before we even get down to 87.40, we've got the 200 period average sitting all the way down at 87.62, actually 87.62. That again, we'll be looking to see how prices react in and around that zone, in around 87.40 and 87.62. So we're just gonna have a look at the weekly time frame before just wrapping it all up here. So on this weekly time frame again, we're operating in shadow of the most recent swing highs in around 90.24. We did see a bit of a counter move developing last week. We did actually go up and test the 20 period moving average here in red, which was at 89.40. Oh, surprisingly enough, it was 89.40. So, very interesting. So the height of last week's candle was at 89.40, and the actual, well, the 20 period moving average last week was at 89.40, and the height of the candle was 89.38.7. So pretty much a touch of that 20 period moving average here on a weekly time frame. And we did see some selling momentum come into the market on Friday, and it has continued here on continued yesterday on Monday, the 6th. So we do look poised for some further downside momentum. We are still operating in the we're still trading within the shadow of this very large bearish candle and this strong level here at 90.24. So we do look poised for further downside momentum all the way down to the mid 87s. So yep, that should wrap up the euro pound analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.